We're entering a new era of design and manufacturing, with exciting opportunities driven by innovation, collaboration, and data. Transformation is necessary, but how do you turn it into value? The transportation industry is changing rapidly. There's demand for leaner supply chains. Digitization is accelerating. New competitors are entering the market. Sustainability is paramount, and safety regulations place new demands on manufacturers. Taking command of your data helps you meet these challenges head-on. By creating a single, reliable version of information throughout the supply chain, you can break down silos, share information in real time, and extract rich insights to drive maximum value, power efficiency, meet new regulations, and speed up production while maintaining quality and traceability. Streamlining collaboration to help you thrive in the face of massive disruption. The new era of design and manufacturing will belong to the innovators, to the imaginative, to the pioneers. The best time to act was yesterday. The second best time is now. Whatever journey you are on, Autodesk is there with you, a partner to help you design the future and deliver real value from digital transformation.